This intermediate form emphasizes defensive techniques. Also, during this stage, a practitioner can train his footwork and the correct way to turn his body in response to his attacker. The traditional Wing Chun kicking systems are mostly direct and mostly strike just below an opponent's waist. After a student has mastered this form, he will then have developed a good defense and attacking ability. From this stage onward, a student can use the techniques learned in practical ways, like sparring and free fighting in the academy. This form consists of different techniques, and there are two simple kicks involved. The middle front push kick to the opponent's stomach, and the low side kick to the shins.